Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mad Over Making. In today's video we are going to see the golden opportunities available in Goldman Sachs. As you already know that it is one of the leading global investment banking, securities and investment management firm which provides a wide range of financial services to the substantial and diversified client base that includes corporations, financial institutions, governments, and individuals. It was founded in 1869 and the firm is headquartered in New York and maintain offices in all the major financial centers around the world. So it has a career opportunities all over the world. So what we are going to see the career opportunities in India only at various locations, how they recruit the freshers for their positions, how you can apply for them, and what is the link by which you can apply them. Watch this video till the end, and at the end you will be able to apply for any job available in Goldman Sachs. As we can see in the career portal, there is a two option to join this organization, as a student or we can say as a fresher, and the second one is as a professional. But in this video we are going to see what are the opportunities available for the student or for the freshers and how we can join and how we can apply for those opportunities. In later on we will be discussing for the experienced part. So in this fresher program, just click on the student program to see what are the options available. So just click on that, and once you click on that you will be able to have these 5 programs. These are the 5 entry level programs by which you can enter into the Goldman Sachs. Here I can see 5 programs: summer analyst internship, new analyst program, engineering campus hiring program, women's possibilities summit, finance, engineering virtual programs. So these are the program, and under which program type is also written, like what are the duration for these programs, right? This is the internship and the full-time program, and this is the new analyst program is a full-time program. So we are going to explore the full-time program, and the rest of the program can be explored by you only. So just click on the view detail option. So once you click on the view details option, you will be able to see this page, new analyst program. So first, what are the eligibility that they require to join this as a fresher? The new analyst program is open to final year undergraduate and graduate level students from any field of study, and is ideally suited to those with little or no work experience. As it is clearly written that they are not required any work experience. So any freshers who are undergraduate programs or in a graduate level can apply for this profile. This is a full-time program. The city is obviously in the Bengaluru, that is the main office in India. So they are inviting the applications for 2021 programs, and the applications are now open. That's why I'm going to show the link, and that's why I'm going to show that program only, and the remaining 4 can be explored by you. So here you can see the overview regarding the company that I already completed. So the next question arises, how to apply this program. I hope the eligibility, the things are clear. Now just going to see the apply this program. Just click on that apply to this program. So once you click on that, a new analyst and new associates, these 2 things will open. Let's see what it is. New analyst. The new analyst program is open to the final year undergraduate student and the recent graduate from any field of study. It means the freshers, and is ideally suited to those who little or no work experience. As a new analyst, you will learn a great deal about the firms and how we do business. So the new analyst profile is totally completely for the freshers only, that they are not required any experience. So now we can see for the new associates. New associates typically have 2 to 5 years of work experience and advanced degrees such as MBA. So a new associates roles are available for those who are having their masters, who are having a 2 to 5 year of work experience, not an experience in the relevant just the corporate experience will be sufficient to apply for the new associates profile. The pay will be different for the new analyst as well as for the new associates. The work role will be similar, but in the new analyst, all the things will be started from zero, or in the new associates, some training will be provided so that you can reach to the level 1 and start from there. And in the new analyst, you will be started from zero. So this is the basic difference between these two profiles. So once you are read it out all these things, just click on the apply option. So once you click on the apply options, a registration form will open, and that will create your account in the Goldman Sachs, which you can use for any vacancies for any apply options. So here these are the information that is being required. Once you fill those information, just click on the submit registration. Once you click the submit registration, your form will open, and once your form will open, you need to fill all those information there. The form will be reviewed by them, and if they find suitable for their organization, they will reply you back. So this is the complete procedures that how to apply, what are the skills, experience that they require to apply for the freshers. So just go with that, ask as many as questions in the comment sections related to the freshers. In the next video, I'm going to cover the experienced part. If you guys are wants to know more about the questions or more about the rounds of the interview, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will make a video on that.